Assalamu alaikum to all students. Today is lecture number 15. Today we will do review exercise of unit number 5. Unit number 5. Today is last lecture of unit number 5. Inshallah in next lecture we will do exercise unit number 6. We will start unit number 6. As you know in previous lecture we have done exercise 5.4. Our one question has left, question number 7. Okay, I will repeat this question number 7, and then we will go to the our home task. Our question number 7 is, as you know, we have to solve this Bayes-Minter theorem. We have to find factors of this question. Question number 7 is 3x cube minus x square minus 12x plus 4. Okay, here we have to find the factors of possible factors of 4 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4. Okay, that all are the possible factors of P4. Okay, and those of leading coefficients of 3. As you know, in with greater power variable, there is a leading coefficient 3. Okay, the factors of 3 are plus minus 1 by 3, plus minus 1 and plus minus 3. Thus the possible zeros of P of x means we can say that plus minus 1 by 3, plus minus 2 by 3 and plus minus 4 by 3. Okay, that all the possible zeros of P of x. Let's check from 1. Okay, let's start from 1. P of 1 is equal to, by putting the value of x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 cube minus 1 square minus 12 into 1 plus 4. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 minus 12 plus 4. By solving this is equal to minus 6. As you know, this is not equal to 0, so we can say that x minus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Let's check for p of minus 1. When the value of x is equal to minus 1, then what will be the answer? P of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 cube minus into minus 1 square minus 12 into minus 1 plus 4. As 1 cube is minus 1 cube is minus 1. Okay, that will be equal to minus 3. Minus 1 square is equal to plus 1. Plus minus 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 1 minus minus plus 12 ones are 12. That will change into plus 4. That is equal to 12. And as you can see that is also not equal to 0. So we can say that x plus naught is not equal to 0. So this is not factor of p of x. So let's check for minus 2. Okay, uh, p of minus 2 is equal to 3 into minus 2 cube minus minus 2 square minus 12 into minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Okay, 8 3s are 24. Minus 24. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 4. Minus minus plus 12 2s are 24 plus 4. That is equal to 0. So we can say that x plus 2 is a 0 of p of x. So this is the factor of p of x. You can say that x plus 2 is the factor of p of x, as the remainder of this is equal to 0. So let's check for p of 2. Okay, when putting the value of x is equal to 2, then 3 into 2 cube minus 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 4. 2 cube is 8. 8 3s are 24 minus 2 square is 4 minus 12 2s are 24 plus 4. Plus minus that will cut, this is also equal to 0. So we can say that p of 2 is also is a factor of p of x, or you can say that x minus 2 is the 0 of p of x, as the remainder is 0. So let's check for uh, I have I have checked for plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Your home task is here. You have to check the remaining possible factors plus minus 4. Okay, plus minus 4 and also minus 1 by 3. So let's check from here. P of 1 by 3 is equal to, by replacing the value of 1 x is equal to 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 cube minus 3 into uh, minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 12 into 1 by 3 plus 4. That is equal to 3 cube is 27. As you know, 3 by 27, that is equal to 1 by 9. And 1 by 3 square is 9. 1 by 9 minus 4 and plus 4, because 3 4s are 12, minus 4 and plus 4. As you can see that here is fraction, one is positive and one is negative. That will cut plus 1 by 9 and minus 1 by 9. That will cut minus 4 and plus 4. This will also cut. Okay, remaining will be 0. Hence we can say that 3x minus 1 is also the factor of p of x, because as you know, if we have let x is equal to 1 by 3, multiplying both sides by 3, then okay, I will draw here. I will write here how uh, this is equal to 3x minus 1. As you know, we have x is x equal to 1 by 3, multiplying both side by 3. So as you know, 3 is dividing here, multiplying both side by 3, that will equal to 3x minus 3x equal to 1. Okay, and by shifting 3x, 1 is positive on right side, by shifting to left side, this is equal to 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Hope you may understand this. Okay, uh, let's repeat this again. Here x is equal to 1 by 3, multiplying both side by 3, this will be equal to 3x equal to 1. As you know, 1 is positive on right side, by shifting on left side, this is equal to 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you can say that 3x minus 1 is also the 0 of p of x. So the factors are x minus 2, x plus 2, and 3x minus 1. That are all the factors of p of x. Hence, required functions are x minus 2 into x plus 2 into 3x minus 1. Hope you may understand this. If you have any question, you may note down. I will give you answer at the end of lecture. Okay. Hadi, I'm checking here. My voice is clear. Okay. You may have internet issues, so you can't hear me. There is no issue in any kind of voice. Hope you may understand this question. Uh, let's move to our review exercise, unit number 5. Okay. This this is same like your previous, as we have done in uh, previous days. Factorize the following. Our question number 3 is factorize the following. Uh, x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 4y square. Okay, so we can complete by solve this by completing formula. X square, here you can see that 16 is 4 square, a square b square. Okay, x is value of a and 4 is value of b. by completing here plus 2ab. Okay, plus 2 into x into 4. You can say that 2 for the 8. This our first step and second step is same. We have just dissolve it into a formula. Okay, you can write 4 minus 4y square as 2y whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b ka whole square. Okay, x plus 4 whole square. You can write 2y square, that is x plus 4. Now we will use formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then as I told you about, x plus 4 is value of a and 2y is value of b. So you can write it into x plus 4 plus 2y into x plus 4 minus 2y by arranging x plus 2y plus 4 and x minus 2y plus 4. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Our next question is question number 2 of review exercise 4x square minus 16 y square. Okay, uh, as you can see that 4 is common in both term. Okay, by taking common 4, remaining will be x square minus 4y square. Taking 4 common and then dissolving into square, you can write x square as x whole square and 4y square as 2y whole square. Okay, here the value of x is a is equal to x and value of b is equal to 2y. A square minus b square, as we used in previous question, a square minus b square, it's equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, the value of a is x and value of b is 2y. So you can write it 4 into x plus 2y and into x minus 2y. Our third question is 9x square plus 27x plus 8. Okay, 9x square plus 24x, you can by we can solve this by midterm breaking. We can solve this by breaking midterm. You can write 27x as 24x plus 3x. Okay, as you know, I told you about in this type of question we will multiply the last terms. Okay, 9 9 eights are 9 8 9 8 are 72 and uh, 27. Okay, 20. We have to find such kind of factors by multiplying. We may we may get 72, and by adding we will get the midterm 27. Okay, we have to find such kind of factor. By multiplying we may get 72, and by adding we may get 27. Okay, uh, we have factors 24 and 3. So you can write 27x as 24x plus 3x. Okay, the solution of this equation will be 9x square plus 24x plus 3x plus 4. By taking common, as you can see that 3x is common. Okay, 3x is common, remaining will be 3 3s are 9, 3x and 3 8s are 24, 3x plus 8. Okay, plus 1 is common, as you can see that here is no common, so taking 1 common, the remaining will be 3x plus 1 plus 8. Okay, here is common factor is 3x plus 8. 3x plus 8 is common factor, remaining will be 3x plus 1. Okay, let's move to our next question. 8x cube minus 27 minus 1 by 27 y cube. Okay, 8x cube you can write it as 2x whole cube. Okay, and you can write 27 as 1 by 3 by whole square. You may have learned the formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a square, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, you have to note that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here the value of a is 2x minus value of b is 1 by 3y. By putting values in this question, in this equation, 2x minus 1 by 3, as in formula there is a minus b. A minus b into a square. Value of a is 2x, 2x whole square plus ab. Value of a is 2x and value of b is 1 by 3y plus b square, 1 by 3y whole square. Okay, by squaring, by opening the brackets, 2x minus 1 by 3 into 2 square is 4 and x square is x, 4x square plus you can write it 2x into 1 multiplying by 1, the answer will be same, 2x by 3y plus 1 by 9y square. Okay, hope you may understand this question. Let's move to our next question. Our next question is question number 6 is question number 6 is 2y square plus 5y minus 3. Okay, 2y square plus you can write 5y as 6y minus y. This will equal to 5y. Okay, we have to find such kind of factor. By adding we may get 5 and by multiplying we may get 6 minus 6. Okay, by multiplying 2 into minus 3, by multiplying the outer coefficient, okay, 2 3s are minus 6. We have to find such kind of factors. By multiplying we may get minus 6 and by adding we may get 5. So we have factor 6 in 6 and minus 1. By adding 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and by multiplying 6 ones are 6. Okay, so here common is 2y. 2y is common, remaining will be y plus 2 3s are 6, y plus 3, and in next term minus 1 is common. Okay, by taking minus 1 common, as you know, when we are taking minus 1 common, then sign will change. Okay, sign will also change. Here is minus y minus 3, we can write it as y plus 3. Okay, by as we have taken common minus, as we have taken minus common. Here the common factor is y plus 3. By taking common factor y plus 3, remaining will be 2y minus 1. Let's move to next question. Our next question is x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Here you can see that x square is common. Okay, taking x square common, remaining will be x plus 1 minus in next minus 4 common. By taking minus 4 common, sign will also change. Okay, you can say that in first step there is minus 4x. By taking minus 4 common, sign will also change, x plus 1. Okay, 4 ones are 4, x plus 4 ones are 4. Okay, here the common factor is x plus 1. The remaining will be x square minus 4. You can write minus 4 as 2 square. Okay, here the value of a is x square and value of a is x and value of b is 2. As you know the formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Let's move to our next question. Our next question is 25 m square n square plus 10 mn plus 1. You can see here our first term and last term is a complete square. Okay, our first and last term is a complete square. You can resolve by into a formula. Okay, you can write 25 m square n square as 5 m n whole square. Okay, as 25 is square of 5. You can write it as 5 m n whole square plus in last term the value of b is 1. Value of a is 5 mn and value of b is 1. 1. By completing into a formula, okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. As you know, a square we have a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2. Value of a is 5 mn and value of b is 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square. As you know, this is a very simpler formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square is that is equal to a plus b ka whole square. Okay, so you can write it as 5 mn whole square. 5 mn plus 1 whole square, as 5 mn is value of a and 1 is the value of b. Okay, you may also write it as 5 mn plus 1 into 5 mn plus 1. You can write it in twice time. Our last question of this unit is 1 minus 12qp plus 36p square q square. This is same like previous question. We have to you can see that our first and last term is a complete square. Okay, by by completing square, by changing this equation into a square into formula, you can write 1 as 1 square and 36 p square q square as 6 p q whole square. Here the value of a is 1 and value of b is 6 p q whole square. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, minus 2. Value of a is 1 and value of b is pq. Okay, this is a formula. As you know, a square minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square. So the value of a is 1 and value of b is 6pq. So you can write it 1 minus 6pq whole square. Okay, beta, we have done mostly our today's lecture. If you have any question related to today's lecture, you may